Hey guys, welcome back to Shep Collectibles, and today we are opening up the Scarlet and Violet White Flare binder box or binder collection. This thing is so big, I don't have, my camera can barely fit it in, but we get, let's just flip it over to the back so that way you guys can see. You get a binder, which I don't know, I don't usually collect the binders, so I might give them away. And then we get a 5 packs of White Flare, and then a collector's card list. So stand by while we open this up and see what's inside. And we're back. I kind of like the look of this binder though. It looks pretty good. Like, it feels nice. I just don't know, I wouldn't keep like my master set collections in one of these because it just doesn't feel like it would protect that well. But you know, if your trades, you're walking around the trade show or something like that, it'd be nice, you know, just having your, maybe you have something, another collection, type of collection in there, I don't know. You let me know down in the comments down below. What do you like? Do you like these binders? Let me know. But I will say I also like the fact that they give you a checklist, because maybe you can't find an ETB, because, you know, ETBs sell out super quick and you can't find one anymore. Having another way to get a checklist, in my mind, is awesome. So, but like I said, you do get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of White Flare. So we're going to go ahead, crack these open, and see if we get any big hits. I'll make sure to put the chase cards up on the screen now. All right, guys. Pack number 1, let's go. Ooh. All right, got a Pokeball. Nice. Set you over here. On to pack number 2. All right, no big heat, I'd say, in pack number 2. Let's go back into pack number 3. Ooh, look at that beautiful illustration rare. That is beautiful. Alrighty, got an illustration rare. Again, out of pack number 3. Pack number 4, second to last pack. Oh, saw something back there. Got another Pokeball though. And look at that illustration rare. That is fire. That is absolute fire. This Sarmant there. Whew. All right, I see you, White Flare. I see you with the two big illustration rares right there. Man. Okay. Last pack. If you believe in last pack magic, let me know. Hit that like button. But let's go. Packs 3 and 4 brought it with those illustration rares. So is pack 6 going to be our SIR? If you believe that, hit that like button right now. Ooh, we got some nice energy, but we already have that one. Another Pokeball. I'll take those all day. Not a lot of big hits in that one, but hey, out of White Flare, we did get 2 new illustration rares. I'm going to take them because both of those arts look so fire. But guys, if you did like this video, please remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. It does help my channel out greatly, and I do truly appreciate each and every one of you. But that's all I got time for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.